What's up, YouTube? It's my first video posting up here. Just want to showcase the G a little bit. It's 2006 automatic, but built it from the ground up past about 3-4 years. You can see cleared up the headlights a bit, got the eyebrows on there, aftermarket wheels, got a 19 by 8.5 in the front, 19 by 11 in the rear. So 285 3019 and 235 3019 in the front. Carbon fiber mirror covers, carbon fiber rear window spoiler. You can see a bit of the exhaust in the rear right there. Going inside. All custom interior. Got the seats off Facebook for $35. Did the door cards myself. Sound system, steering wheel. Those are the carbon fiber trims. You got any questions about where I got them, just message me. So see, I got the tweeters in the doors there, cut out holes. Let's go check out the subwoofer. So we got custom box built by me, approved. Digital designs 3510. Powered by Taramps 3K. Got CT sounds for the mids, and then a Memphis for the tweeters on there. Second battery. And then I believe it's a 340 amp alternator in the front. Give you a little shot of the engine bay here. So we'll start from the top. So going from the top, Z1 plenum spacer 5/16, Stillen intake, then 340Y amp alternator, looks like stock down there. Then the intake, resonator test pipes, to the Stillen Y pipe, to the vibrant ultra quiet resonator 1141 in the mid pipe, to the Muffler elite. And I'll give you a little cold start, some revs here so you can check this out. More shots of the interior. 167,000 miles to run it strong. Might get a muffler there, but sounds pretty good for now. But yeah, that's the G. I'll be posting videos, updates, and you guys can check it out.